Hi everyone, this is Rahul, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in business analytics at Webster University. In this video, I'm going to talk about something really interesting and useful in the world of data and marketing, which is sentiment analysis. Now, that might sound like a fancy technical stuff, but it's actually very simple. It's about teaching computers to understand how people feel, whether they're happy, sad, angry, or even excited, by just reading their words on social media, reviews, or online comments. We see thousands of opinions shared online every day, like I love this new phone or that service was terrible. Businesses want to know what their customers really feel, and that's exactly where sentimental analysis heads. In this video, I'll be covering what sentiment analysis actually means, how it works in simple terms, real life examples from Starbucks and Netflix, and how it is used to make smarter marketing decisions. By the end of this video, you'll see how something as simple as a tweet or a product review can shape a company's strategy and improve customer experience. So let's get started. So, starting with a simple question: what is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis means finding out whether people are happy, unhappy, or neutral about something just from the words they write. It's like when you read your friend's text and instantly know if they are mad or excited. Except here, a computer is doing the same job. For example, if someone writes, I love this phone, that's a positive note. If someone says the phone is worst, that's a negative note. And the phone is okay, that's a neutral note. Easy, right? That's the basic idea. So, how does it work? There are few ways computers can figure out the feelings of a human from text. First, rule based method. This one is like a dictionary of good and bad words. For example, great, awesome, or love are good words. Hate, bad, or awful are the bad words. If a sentence has more good words, it's a positive note. But if it doesn't always work, imagine someone say, oh great, that's another delay. The computer might think that's a positive note because of the word great. But we humans know that that's a sarcasm. Secondly, machine learning method. Here, the computer learns from thousands of examples it's shown in sentences that people have labeled as happy, sad, or neutral. Over time, it learns patterns like not bad actually means something good. And third, which is hybrid method. This one is a mix of both rules and some learning. And that's what most of the companies use today because it's more accurate. Let's say, um, let's just talk about an example. Millions of people tweet or post about their coffee every day. Some say, I love caramel machito, while others might say the coffee tasted burnt today. Starbucks uses sentiment analysis tools to read all these posts, not one by one, but automatically. If they suddenly see a lot of negative comments about one product, they can quickly check if something is wrong. And if everyone is excited about their seasonal drinks like the pumpkin spice latte or cappuccino, they might promote it more because they know love it. So in short, it helps Starbucks understand what their customers are really feeling about without having any second thought. So how does it work for marketers? So let's say now companies don't use sentiment analysis for fun, of course. They use it for making smarter decisions. So here's how the marketers get benefited sentiment analysis. Firstly, the reputation. They can see if people are talking positively, negatively about the brand. and improvements of the secondly the products improvement. If a lot of customers complain about battery life or packaging, they know what to fix it. The campaigns. After launching an ad, they can see if people liked it or not by checking online comments. By comparing the competitors, for example, Samsung can check how people feel about their new phone compared to Apple's iPhone. Even politicians use it during elections. They check the overall mood of voters on social media. There's another example of Netflix. When Netflix releases some series like Stranger Things or Wednesday, they look at what people are saying on Twitter, TikTok, or on Instagram. If people post things like the story was emotional or the ending was disappointed, Netflix uses the data to understand audience reactions. It helps them to plan better for next seasons, choose similar themes, or even decide what kind of new shows to make. So, sentimental analysis helps Netflix feel the pulse of the viewers. Now, computers are getting better at understanding emotions, not just positive or negative, but feelings like anger, fear, joy, or excitement. But that's not perfect. AI still struggles with sarcasm, jokes, or mixed emotions. Also, companies need to use this data responsibly. They shouldn't invade people's privacy or make assumptions just from one point. That's why human checking is still important to make sure what the AI finds actually makes sense. So, to wrap it up, sentiment analysis is like giving computers emotional intelligence. It helps companies listen to what customers really feel, not just what they say. From Starbucks understanding coffee lovers to Netflix improving its shows, it's all about using emotions to make smarter decisions. Now, I just wanted to ask you a question. Do you really think that computers can truly understand our feelings like a human does? Drop your thoughts in the comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching and see you later.